guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. This is the first video I've made in almost a year, and it's super exciting for me to get back into this because I really love it, and I love sharing my love for makeup and skincare and everything with you guys. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It is my everyday fall makeup routine. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see it. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup routine. I do this literally, well, almost every day. Every day that I wear makeup, so like any day I go to work. This is usually what I do, and pretty much all of looking at it, all but two things are from the drugstore, so hopefully like more people can like afford these and buy these, and it'll help more people, I guess, because I feel like a lot of YouTubers who do like everyday makeup routines and do all these makeup videos, they use a lot of high-end, which I mean, it's nice, but honestly drugstore makeup can be just as nice and more affordable, so I feel like more people can go out and buy these products and use them every day. So yeah, let's get started. So I don't usually use a primer on my face. When I do use a primer, the affordable one from the drugstore I like to use is this Wet n Wild face primer. It's really nice. It just kind of smooths everything out. So I just take about this much on my hand, not too much, and just put it all over your face. So I just really rub that into my skin. Don't mind my orange neck because I self-tanned last week, and so it's all coming off, and it's not all coming off evenly, which is annoying, but it's fine. So once you get that all like soaked, I like to let it kind of soak into my skin a little bit. So the next thing I'm gonna move on to is brows. So this is one of the products that I did not get at the drugstore. You can get it like at Sephora or Ulta or wherever sells like high-end makeup. It's the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, but it's just like a double-ended brow pencil. So one end is the pencil, and then one end is the spoolie to brush your brows out. The reason I really like this is because it has a super thin tip, so you can get almost like hair-like strokes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and I just do really thin, light strokes. That way my eyebrow doesn't get too dark too fast, and you can kind of build it up. I used to do like a super dark, bold brow, but I've been liking the more natural brow because I've been trying to kind of grow them out, because I tweezed them really thin one time, and so they're not as thick as they used to be. So I just kind of like enhancing my own brow. It looks like my normal eyebrow, just more shaped and darker. I used to worry so much about my brows being exactly even. As long as they look similar, like a lot of people say they're sisters, not twins, which is totally true. Like that. That's how I usually do my brows. Now that the primer has set in, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation next. So the foundation I've been loving right now is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir, and I am in the shade Classic Ivory. Little disclaimer, this is a little too dark for me because I got it when I was tan, so bear with me. Okay, so I'm just gonna squirt it onto the sponge. I start out with a little bit, because you can always build up. So as you can see, it matches my neck, but literally nothing else. So we're just gonna go with it. Okay, and once I have that all blended, I'll go ahead and just add more as I need to. And then I'll just take the rest of what's on the Beauty Blender and just go over my eyes, and that'll kind of help prime for my little bit of eyeshadow that I'm doing. Okay, I'm not in focus. I haven't been in focus for a while. Okay, that's my foundation. You know what I'm gonna do? Bear with me. That looks so much better. Wow. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is concealer. So I've been using the Maybelline New York concealer in the color Fair. So I don't like to use a ton of concealer. I just do a little bit under my eyes, just like that much. And again, like that much. And I just blend it out with my Beauty Blender. Okay, That was easy. I set just the concealer under my eyes. I don't like to set my whole face because now that it's getting colder, my face is getting drier, and powder just makes your face look more dry. I use the Coty Airspun powder. I've been using this for like ever, and it's like $6 at Walgreens, and it is a loose powder, so you gotta be careful because it kind of gets everywhere. I use the Morphe E20 brush, so it's just a little tiny brush. It fits perfectly under my eyes, and then I just kind of pat it underneath my eyes. Like that. That looks great. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is eyeshadow. That I like to use is this e.l.f. Matte for Matte. I really like it. It has just all your basic colors. I use my Morphe M441 brush, which is just this fluffy brush, and I start out by taking the lightest color and just brushing that all over my eyelids. And I'm just going to show you guys one eye because it's easier, and then I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then you'll see the finished look. And then I take this color here, that kind of medium brown, and that's gonna go in my crease. Okay, that's a little darker than I wanted it, but that's okay, we'll work with it. And then I'm gonna take this dark brown right here and just put a little bit of that on the outer corner. So that's it for the eyeshadow, like that's literally all I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my other eye. It's not the best eyeshadow, but that's okay because we're gonna be putting mascara and eyeliner on. It's just kind of like a background for that. Next is eyeliner. I use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and it just looks like this little triangle cone thing. So I like to do a winged eyeliner. It's what makes my eyes look the best. You can do whatever eyeliner you want. If you want a line, if you want a wing, if you don't want to wear eyeliner, that's totally okay. So I'm gonna try to do a wing on camera. I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. Hey, that's my eye. So you start out with like that little line going out from you want to go out from your bottom lash line and then go up, and then you just want to go from that tip and go back down. So that's like the gist of it, and then you're going to fill that blank space in and go along your line, and I'm going to just add a pointier tip to that, but that's like the basis of it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one and then do my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished eyeliner. Next up is mascara. So I use the Tweezerman Lash Curler. I did get this at Sephora. You can also get really good ones at the drugstore, at Target, whatever. I use the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express Mascara. And then I do also do bottom mascara. Okay, I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now that that's done, the eyes are finished. Now we just have to finish the face and then do lips, and we're good to go. I use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. It's like, is it limited edition? It's limited edition, and it has a cute little dragon on it. But I just really like this bronzer. And then I use just a Morphe angled like bronzer brush, and then right under your cheekbones, and then like up your temple. And then you just want to do the same to the other side. I do like to put it on my jawline just a little bit, and also on the top of my forehead because I have a big forehead. That is the bronzer. Next thing is a blush. So I use the Color Icon Ombre Blush. It just looks like this, and it's in the color the Princess Daiquiris. And then I just put it on my cheeks. I kind of blend it into the bronzer too. And then I'm gonna blend this bronzer out a little bit more and kind of add some foundation on top of it because I kind of messed up. This is the exciting part. This is my favorite part, is highlighter. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and it's in the shade Blossom Glow, and it's the prettiest highlighter I've ever seen in my entire life. It's like this really light, pretty pink color, and so I'll just show you on the back of my hand. Look at that. That is beautiful. I go ahead and I just put a little bit on the tip of my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and then of course on my cheekbones. And then I like to take it on the tip of my pinky and just get into the inner corners of my eye, and that's going to make your eye look more open and awake. And then I take the tip of my pinky again and go right under my brow, on my brow bone. Okay, and if you get any in your eyebrow, you can take a little spoolie and just kind of brush it out. Okay, we're almost done. This is the other thing that is not at the drugstore. It's a little bit pricey. It's the give me a second, Mana Kadar. It's the Lip Locked Priming Lip Wand. It is a little pricey. I got this in my Ipsy, but I looked it up and the full size is like $24. So, and this is my first time trying it, so we're gonna see how it works. Okay, here's the thing. I like the color. It's drying. It's like dry to put on, which is weird for a lip crayon because usually they're really moisturizing. So I like put it on, rubbed it in with my finger, put more chapstick on, and then rubbed it in with my finger again. So it's like not as pigmented as when I first put it on, which is, it's kind of annoying, but I like the color, so I guess. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been really nice getting back and talking to a camera, I guess. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's really nice to be able to share my art and my love for makeup and skincare and everything. And it's just been really nice to be back. So hopefully I will be making more videos soon in the future. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I love all of you that watch my videos and support me, and it's really nice to have this support system. And yeah, thank you. See ya hopefully next week. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to try to put a little life update in this video. I'm gonna try not to get emotional or anything. I doubt I will, but okay, so I've taken a break from making videos for almost a year, which has been really rough because it's what I really love to do. At first it was because I was really busy with school. I did graduate and get my aesthetics license, so I am a licensed esthetician, which is very exciting. It wasn't really a problem in school as much as it was when I graduated and got a job and everything was kind of gone. So I did suffer from depressed. I'm not diagnosed with depression, but I do have like a lot of the symptoms and everything that people deal with, but I haven't gone to like a doctor and gotten diagnosed. But I have been dealing with a lot of that, which made me feel very unmotivated and very uninspired and just stuff like that. And also a part of that, with that comes a lot of anxiety, so a lot of it was being in front of a camera and feeling very anxious and feeling, oh my gosh, what are these people thinking? Are they gonna like my videos? Are they gonna enjoy it? Are they gonna like watching me? What do they actually think about me? So a lot of that was also going through my head. But once I get in front of the camera and actually film, it is very relaxing, and I miss that, and I feel like if I keep doing this, it'll help. But yeah, I am going to therapy. I'm getting help. I'm gonna try not to cry, but this is like very emotional for me. I just feel like a lot of you guys haven't seen this side of me, which is, it's very important to share and let people know that feeling this way, it's okay. A lot of people do feel this way, and it's okay to want to get help and to go get help. But just know that there are people who support you and want to help you feel better and get better. And for me, I'm very, very lucky because my whole family and my friends and everyone is very, very supportive, and everyone who watches these videos, it just helps so much because I know you're all very, very supportive. And I just wanted to put this in here to let you guys know what's been going on. I just want to thank you for all your support. And yeah, I'm not sure where in the video I'm gonna put this in, But if it's at the end, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to make more because it does make me feel a lot better. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later.